Hi, this is Yi from Web Hosting Break, and today I'm reviewing the WordPress theme Vigilance. Now, Vigilance, it's a simple and clean WordPress theme by the Theme Foundry. Its minimal appearance keeps the reader focused on the post without any distractions like overwhelming colors or floating widgets. Everything is kept in their place and it's very easy to navigate around, as you can see. The layout is your usual main post on the left-hand side and then the sidebar on the right. Only though there's no footer area. However, if you do like your widgets, you can always split the sidebar into 3 widget areas: wide, which is at the top, left and right. So if I scroll down, so I've actually split it into left and right. This is all done through the backend under widgets. Unlike other themes where you would need to kind of tweak and change the layout first in order to use the split sidebars, with Vigilance all you need to do is place your widgets in the left and right sidebar to make it appear in the front end. So if I just go to the backend and show you this. It's under Appearances, Widgets. Okay. Loading. Okay, so this is the wide sidebar, which is at the top here, and then to use the split, sidebar, all you need to do is drag and drop your widgets into the left sidebar and the right sidebar. So that's all you need to do. You can change the look of the sidebar by adding or removing the widgets. So if I didn't want the split sidebar, I'd simply remove it out. Okay. Unfortunately, you can't change the order of the sidebar, so it's always the wide sidebar at the top, like this, and split one below it. So you can't switch the order of this. I find that there isn't much space between the sidebar and the main post, and that can sometimes look a bit cluttered as well, as you can see here. Especially when you're using the split sidebar, it kind of everything just mashes together. You would also have to keep in mind that the images in your post needs to be below 600 megapixels. Or they will start running into the sidebar. So I had to reduce the images in this post, but I haven't reduced it for New York. So if I just click into this post, the images for the New York one, the images are still 640 megapixels wide. As you can see, it's kind of running into the Flickr images on the sidebar. Okay. If you're looking to add a splash of color to this otherwise very minimalistic and bland theme, then head to the theme options at the back end. So if you go to Appearances, Theme Options, this is where Vigilance really sets itself apart from the other themes. Although you can't customize the background image, you can choose from a spectrum of colors for your background, border, and links. You can also customize the header image and text under Appearances as well. So as you can see, currently custom colors are disabled, so if I enable it, I've chosen a dark background color, just a red border, change the link colors as well. Okay, so if I save this, and then go to the front, let's refresh this. Okay, so there you go. So you still get that minimalistic feel in the center, but then you get the darker options in the border around it. In Themes Options, you would also have the ability to switch on and off the alert box. So let's go here. So if you scroll down, there's the alert box. Now the alert box acts like a sticky note that appears at the front of your blog. Which is here. This is the alert box. And you can feature announcement, notices, and any other short important messages as well. Now Vigilance supports a custom drop-down menu bar, as you can see here. So for example, but then what's cool about it is that when you click on a post, the categories in the menu bar get highlighted. So if I go to Food in Tokyo, this was posted under the categories travel and food, and thus these two categories are highlighted and marked, travel and food, which I thought was pretty neat. A downside to Vigilant is that the theme doesn't have expandable submenus in the sidebar, as you can see here. Often you would have to click into it and before you're taken to another page with the submenus. So instead of drop-down menus, I actually have to click into it. And then taken to another page where I get to select the post. So it does make browsing around the blog a little bit more inconvenient. Now, all in all, Vigilance is a nice WordPress theme that ticks all the right places if you're looking for a simple template with the flexibility to make minor adjustments. It's a neat layout where you're not bombarded by different colors or typefaces. Now, you can actually try out the template yourself on the Vigilance demo page. So if you go to vigilancedemo.wordpress.com, you can have a go and try all the settings yourself, although you don't have access to the backend. So try it out and let me know what you think. And until then, I'll be reviewing another WordPress theme this week. Cheers.